Well, just got a delivery from FedEx. It is a Gator SFX soft cover, and we're going to put it on that ram right there. I think I paid $279, $300 after tax and everything, including shipping. It's one of the highest rated covers online that I could find. So hopefully it works out. And I needed something I could remove easily. And this one supposedly removes very easy. But the folks say they can be put on in about 10 minutes. Let's see if that's true. Okay, everything out of the box. Some packing material. And some weather stripping that goes around the tailgate. Optional. Instructions and okay, there's those. And I guess yeah, there's the other pieces that go on it. All right, let's set it on the truck. All right, I just got it laid up there. I think I got it pretty straight. I don't have anything clamped down yet. I see a little light up in the corners, but again, I don't have it clamped down, so hopefully that'll go away. So let's get it clamped down. So the instructions come with it's a warning verbiage that says that if your truck has this plastic piece that I have here, you can see I've got a plastic piece here that comes over the top, and that plastic piece kind of hangs over the metal just a little bit. You can see there. It says to cut out that plastic until it meets the metal, but my plastic and metal is almost flush, so I think I can get by without cutting that plastic. I got it clamped down, and this one's kind of leaning a little bit. I think I need to bring it in straight. This one looks a little better. But you can't over tighten these, or rather, you can over tighten these, so you need to be careful there. I think my top is a little too far over. I'm going to straighten that up just a little bit. So that piece of plastic there, maybe I might have to cut that plastic just like it said I had to. Yep. But other than that, it's tight. And let's see, this side, I didn't have a problem with the plastic over here like I did the other side. Yeah, but it's on there. All right, so the back of the truck here has these new speed clamps as opposed to the older model that latched. These actually just are spring loaded. They have a lot of tension on them. So we just slide these over. Now it's locked into place. And that's it. So that is it. Nice and tight. I don't see any gaps now. That daylight went away in the corners. That's good. It's a nice seal under there. Yep. All right. And there it is, folks. Taking about a round trip, 1,600 miles with it after Christmas. Hauling the luggage back here, so I'll let you guys know how it goes, or if I have any issues with it. But it could have been installed in 5 minutes. It took me about 10 just messing around. I think it looks pretty sharp. All right, update on the cover. We went about, took about a 700-mile trip. Everything was good with it. As far as staying on the truck, no issues like that. But we just had a very good rainstorm while I'm parked here at the campground. And let's see if we got any leakage. It's the first rain we've had. Let's see, I've got some dripping down there, but that came from me opening the tailgate. This came from opening the tailgate. I don't see anything inside. On the back anyway. Let's look at the front. Huh. Actually, it did better than I thought it was going to do. It's dry. I don't see any water in the bed. That is surprising. Well, that's a stationary test, so it was sitting in the rain. I didn't drive in the rain. So maybe I'll get an opportunity to drive in the rain before I post this video. But so far, very happy with the Gator cover. Okay guys, this is the last review on the bed cover. It is now mid-March and I guess it's been 3 months that I've had the bed cover on here. I've driven in the rain with it. It's been sitting outside for, well, the whole time. The truck stays outside all the time. I've had it down at the hunting club, off-road trails, and this cover has been phenomenal. No issues whatsoever. I keep all my junk back here. It does not leak. It stays completely dry. For a $300 cover, I mean, there is zero leaking. It just doesn't leak. Not even a drop. So I hope it stays that way. I highly recommend this cover if you need one. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, and please subscribe if you like the video. I have a lot more content coming. Thanks, folks.